has turned out to be one of my favorite Sanatan mythology stories and my favorite piece of jewelry amongst my series of design inspiration from the nakshatras. At number 23 comes in the star of symphony known as Dhanishta. The ruling planet of Dhanishta is Mars, which gives it a bit of a temper, but it's also very ambitious, which is doubled by its ruling animal, this absolutely gorgeous girl. Now, the deities of Dhanishta are not one, but once again a consortium of gods known as the Ashtavasus. Very interestingly, the elemental gods, because each of these eight Vasus symbolized a particular element in the cosmos. So, in no particular order, I am going to remember their names. Tara, Anil, Apaha, Anala, Pratyush, Prabhas, Soma, and Dron. Now, these Ashtavasus were cursed by Rishi Vashisht because Prabhas went and stole his cow Nandini. So, he cursed the Ashtavasus that you will be reborn as human, because that is clearly the worst gali, or the worst curse that you can give somebody. Duly, they were all born in their next birth to Ganga and Shantanu as the babies of Ganga and Shantanu. And because Ganga had to free them from this curse of Vashisht, she took each baby as it was born and drowned it in the river. Only one baby survived, which was the rebirth of Prabhas, because he was the one who had actually stolen the cow, so he had to pay the price and live a very difficult life as a human. No prizes for guessing. The rebirth of Prabhas was Bhishma, and he clearly went on to live a very difficult human life. The symphony of the Ashtavasus reflects in the symbols of Dhanishta, which are the drum and the flute, the basri and the dholak, because this nakshatra has very specific musical talents. So for the jewel for Dhanishta, we came up with this gorgeous, again my favorite, two-toned link bracelet, a tennis bracelet, where each coin has the element of the Ashtavasus, each of the Vasus carved on it, and a very on-trend toggle clasp. For the toggle clasp, one has used a very light coral solitaire. If you like this jewel, stay tuned for the next nakshatra.